Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to Storage. Select our storage type, so SD card in here. And from there, we're gonna select three dots, and you can see there is a format option. Select Format SD card. So start the process, which takes only a couple seconds, at which point, as you can see, once it's finished, you can click on Done, close it, and there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.